Hey yo, it's Chriso. I'm just going to screed this bathroom floor now. See how I'm leaving this? It's solid, so in refurbishment, if it's solid and you don't need to take it up, don't take it up and then just do it again. That's stupid. You leave it there and you use it. See how I'm nice and level there? That's my starting point. Like so. Also see how I put out water. This has been down sort of for a quarter of an hour now, but always in a refurbishment you put out your water and then put your glue on top, and if you've got a bit of dust there it mixes in. You don't try and put straight glue as a slurry onto a dusty floor, and in a refurbishment you can never get it so clean that it's not dusty. So what you do is you wet it down and put out your glue over the top and it all mixes in nicely. Where's my trowel? So we're going off that point there. Once you get your first part nice and level, usually I use a laser level, but I don't have to in this case because it's an easy one to screed. See how I'm nice and level there? Right, and then you run your level through like this. Get rid of your excess. Always checking that bubble, see how it's nice and level. Always that bubble is a true indication of level. That line there is going to be where my screen is going, so I go off that line out here. I'd lost my wooden float. Boy, do you think I could find it? And it was bloody right in front of me. Right, now that is a nice level pad. It's the same height as this here. It's lovely and level. Where's my shorter level? My 1200. Right there. I always do my pad for my shower. I always do that first, and I always tile it first. I don't know why, but that's just me. Everyone out there, you can do it whatever way you want, but your trickiest part is always the shower base. And you get that right first, the rest is easy. To check a level, sometimes turn it around . Okay, well that level has been dropped more than this one, so I would go off that small level, and because I reckon my 1200 has been dropped a couple of times, it's time to buy a new one. And use it as a straight edge. It's not super accurate. When you're using a laser all the time, you don't have to worry about it. So if you have got a laser level, people use it. Right, this is my shower. This is where my screen is going to be sitting. It shows level on that level and dead level on that level. That's good. See how I've sprinkled out my glue? It's called a slurry, people, and you must have that slurry to stick your mud to the floor. Always the the shorter the level, the more accurate you've got to be. A longer level, you can be out slightly and it still looks like it's level. You have a shorter level, it's more and more exact. So when that shows it's bang on because it's a short level. You dig what I mean? Now I'll be falling it down. Where's my 800 level? I'll be falling it down like that, so I have a nice fall. I'll be splitting my tile corner to corner, so I've got nice beautiful fall, and we're home and hose. Slap down some water. Down goes some glue as my slurry. Very, very important, this procedure. Okay, I'll fill that in and I'll come back to you shortly. This is Chris O. Stay tuned.